Oh! Oh!
Just rolling on through from the corner. No two ways about it. 122 northeast corner, coast of Maine.
Big Papa. Hey, two guns, I'm trying to get you on this video game, and I'm gonna end this thing. Hey, two guns in the gardens there on that Beavis holiday way, man. Cutting them crosstalkers out. I know Dirty Turd. Two guns, I'm gonna try to make contact with you one time here, man. Happy holiday, Mr. Two Guns. We can't wait. Big Papa. Oh, Sheriff, and the Brown is getting down.
Gonna wave one more time over there to 10. Guess who can wave one more time over there to 10. 018 Beavis, still rolling through the NEC. 122 trying to let you know.
Hey, 122, you got the mile down in Tennessee, man. 122 sounding real good there in Tennessee, man. I tell you what, I'm going into the gate, and I'm just going there and take a nap. If Skip's running when I get up later on the night, we'll roll another gate. But that's about it for me today. Big Papa. Hope you all have a good evening, a good weekend coming up, and a happy, and a Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year. 018 Tennessee Beavis saying bye-bye. Catch you later.
Got it all. Got it all because you said it all. 018. Absolutely good hearing you rolling through the corner like you are. Oh my God, you got it one heck of a hammer. Up and down. Oh, Mother Nature's, still hasn't quite settled. But 018, absolutely rolling through strong. You take care. We appreciate what you do. 122 back out of the road. Bye-bye-bye.
We got in Georgia, and I'm getting on down to Garden. L140 around New Jersey, 612.
612 Ohio, you're rolling through Maine. 122 in and out, letting you know.
Catch you later. Bye-bye. Ain't up already. Let go around. 321, Dirty Bird, reading your mail. Alright, 321, I hear all the big boys out there on the key down.
I just wanted to bump it down real quick. 612. Let you know you got conditions out of the Buckeye. Absolutely do. 612 sounding good over here in Maine. 122 letting you know. And get back out of the road. Bye-bye.
They can't wave, but I don't know what you'd call it since they're missing fingers. Worldwide Big Papa. Oh, Sheriff in the BAM. Hey, Big Papa, why you been cruising, Dirty Bird? Come up in your radio one time for the march you down. Hello, Big Papa, when you're cruising. Hello, Big Papa, when you're cruising. Dirty Bird, holiday wave, jingle, jingle, rock. I got down. 120, 841 is gone. I got conditions on 122, 34 Buckeye.
34 Buckeye, you just rolled on through. 34 Buckeye, you just rolled on through the northeast corner. 122 state of Maine, bumping it down, letting you know.
Papa. No sheriff down here pacing along. It ain't race time yet. It's just pace time.
I'm pretty sure you can fly with no doubt about it. They say I'm the fastest bird in the world. On Dirty Bird Falcone over here from around the ATL, a 321. What you think about that there, breaker?
Oh, we're 10 on that. Well,
Hey, two guns, them boys ain't gonna never get it back up there, man. Hey, two guns, the boys won't never get it back up there when I roll it like this right here. Hey, two guns, what's your go-to radio? Two guns, Dirty Birds, and talk to your radio, make a
little bit. I know they got their pom-poms out. They wasn't intending on using them, but they didn't know the sheriff was in town. Hey, worldwide, Big Papa. Pour them sheriff cheerleaders a couple of glasses of Kool-Aid to quench their thirst while the sheriff's out here serving warrants. Worldwide, Big Papa, sheriff, get down.
Nobody get hurt, nobody move, nobody gets hurt. I'm gonna say it one more time. Nobody move around this Duplican radio room, nobody gets hurt. Worldwide, Dirty Bird in the back room got down.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did, Dirty Bird. Yeah, you did. You just rolled on through. Dirty Bird, 122 Main. Hey, we're letting you know.
To move to the side because the champ in the garden, Two Guns, is passing through like the flu. And he's waving down here around the big town. Hey, Two Guns, good evening, 999. I heard a 999. He's up in there before Two Guns fired it on down. So I'm waving.
Oh, Dirty Bird, I just wanted to bump it down. You're just bumping it down. Let you know you're still rolling through the corner, no doubt. Dirty Bird, you have yourself a good day. We'll do it again. Sounding good out of Georgia. 122 out of the road. Just go around. Bye-bye-bye.
Handing out warrants down here in Alabama.